What's up everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing / review video. In this video I've got Amazon package. I picked up two items. One is lightning adapter for the phone and the other one is the microphone, mini microphone to improve my sound quality. I hope it's gonna be better. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe. I do different unboxing and reviews videos, whatever I can get my hands on. So yeah, let's do it quickly. Put my address on the other side. This is two items I've got. This is the Type-C lightning cable. For me, in order to use this microphone, I need this adapter because the original one broke. So, let's see. This is the microphone I picked up. I will leave the link in the description for both items, so if you like the sound quality of the microphone, you can pick it up by using the link in the description. So this is the specifications. If you're interested. Okay, let's see what is inside. Open inside there. It's a little pouch. That's it, nothing inside. So we have another adapter, spare clip, wind protector, and one is already on the microphone. This is the microphone. Okay, let's put that back in. So the length of this cable, what is it? Like a meter long? So if you wanna put your camera far away, you probably will need an adapter. Okay, let me open the window. So this is the sound from the phone. Okay, close the window. So connect this. And just about now I'll try to connect. I'm not sure if I connect it and it will be working straight away. Maybe I'll have to pause the video. I mean start from the beginning, but anyway, let me try to plug it in. So I hope it's working. If it's not, that's gonna be embarrassing. So yeah, it didn't work. I had to Google it and find out that I need to use actually an app in order for me to use this microphone. So I'm using an app called Open Camera. Let's try it again. This is the voice I'm recording on my phone. In 3, 2, 1. This is the voice I'm recording from the microphone, and I already checked. It sounds a lot better. So let me put the microphone closer to the phone and I'll open the window again as I did before. So if you can pick up the noise from the outside. Okay, this is just a little test. Camera is going mad. So yeah guys, let me know what do you think about this microphone. Let me close the window. I checked already through the headphones and I really like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will leave the links in the description again, and if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, because why not? You're already here. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.